Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of the CineGeeks Cinebites video review. I'm Roy,
And I'm Angela.
and for this video, we will be talking about the Academy Award-winning animated film, Flow. Cat is a solitary animal, but as its home is devastated by a great flood, he finds refuge on a boat populated by various species, and will have to team up with them despite their differences. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.
And of course, if you're listening on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, please don't forget to follow our pod.
That is right. Okay, so Ange, what did you think of Flow?
Well, first of all, it's a shame that we haven't watched this during the Oscar season kasi
Oo nga
late
eh.
na natin siya napanood.
That is true.
Pero if I watched it bago tayo nagkaroon ng Oscar predictions, ito yung pick ko. Ito talaga. Parang,
Actually.
diba? As in, grabe. Alam mo, cats have a special spot in my heart because,
In
you
our
know,
hearts.
in our hearts
Yes.
because we have 4 cats at home.
Ang apat na anak natin.
Yeah, our children.
Mm.
And yon, parang I see my cats in the
Yung
cat.
cat. Oo, si Cat.
Ah,
Oo.
hindi naman sinabi na Flo yung pangalan niya, di ba?
Hindi.
Pero we kept calling him Flo.
Si Flo.
Oh, no, Flo, no.
Oo.
I mean, cat parents will get it. Kapag ka,
Oo.
oh no.
Nakakatuwa kasi makita yung yung napaka-cat-like nung characteristics nung protagonist natin dito. Never siyang binigyan nung parang Disney-fied na anthropomorphic quality na
Yes.
parang astang tao.
Or human-like behavior.
Oo, hindi eh. Talagang pinakita sa atin na this is, well, one person's interpretation of how a cat would try to survive
Mhm.
something as catastrophic as the flood that happens in this film.
Mm.
'Di ba? Well, hindi lang naman yung cat yung kasama natin.
Yeah.
Na may ibang mga animals tayong nakasama doon. Nakakatuwa si Capybara, si Secretary Bird,
Secretary Bird pala yung tawag doon.
yung malaki,
Oo.
si Ring-tailed Lemur, at saka yung si Yellow Labrador Retriever. Yan. Para sa mga Golden Retriever dyan.
Golden Retriever energy.
Comment niyo yung niya. Whatever the hell that means.
Alam mo na,
Pero
ngayon ko lang naalala na
Oo.
yung si Lemur pala, para siyang yung si King dun sa
As King Julian sa
I
Madagascar.
like to move it.
Oh, yun. Actually, nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa silang lahat kasi para silang, alam mo yung, even though they are all animals, and as we said earlier, there is no parang hint of yung being a human in them, in this film. Parang nakikita mo pa rin yung sarili mo sa kanila eh.
It's weird, right?
This film is made in a very universal way. Yung kung paano niya pinapakita yung propensity for any kind of being to work together. Hindi siya parang yung dahil etong ganyan kayo, dahil ganito kami, hindi namin kayang mag-work with you. Hindi eh. Kasi if anything pa nga, dito sa sining to, you have 5 very, very, very different animals.
Very different species.
Na-
Literal.
Oo, that have no business working together. And yet, you find yourself rooting for them. Kasi, sobrang yung teamwork na dinidisplay nila dito, parang nakaka-amaze na parang, uy, sana magawa ng mga tao yun. Yung ganong klaseng teamwork.
Ang interpretation ko sa kanya, if sa'yo is you wish na humans are like these animals, ako naman, they each represent an emotion in the face of trial, challenges, and something that's inevitable. So si Cat for me is like fear and anxiety. Siya yung, ang survival mode niya is to run away and to just get away from it all,
Tama.
to hide.
Oo.
Tapos, kanya-kanya sila eh. I mean, I haven't really sat down and assigned an emotion to them.
Pero sige, parang kung si Cat yung parang just trying to survive or survival instincts kumbaga. Si Dog, siya yung parang kahit everything's going wrong, you can still find it in yourself to be a good person.
And to be happy.
Find
Find happiness or find the light in everything.
Oo. Pero hindi naman laging happy. Kasi meron naman si Capybara. Si Capybara naman yung parang sobrang pragmatic sa kanilang lahat. Na parang hindi, ito yung kailangan natin. Actually, hindi lang si Capybara. Kahit si ano din, si Secretary Bird.
Si Secretary Bird, siya yung leader.
Yan.
Oo, na parang the bird makes the tough decisions.
Yun, tama.
And he fights for what he believes in.
Oo.
Na to his detriment sometimes.
Yeah.
Pero napaka firm and he stands by his conviction. Ganon.
True. Akala ko nung sasabi mo kanina na parang yung 5 animals represents sa Severance. Yung 4 tempers.
Oo nga, no?
Yung si Woe, Frolic, Dread, and Malice.
Well, actually, si Lemur, you can interpret him representing parang self-preservation. A man, I'm about to say a man, pero a lemur for himself.
Oo. Ang sa akin naman, parang yun nga nakakatuwa to na sobrang open for interpretation itong scene na to. Walang right or wrong kung paano mo titignan yung film. Ako, siguro, if I may, parang ang nakita ko sa kanya is, ito yung mga animals na hindi nakasama dun sa ark nung Great Flood ni Noah. Diba? Na parang, na naiwan sila to fend for themselves, pero para siyang iba pa rin yung spirit nung survival and perseverance ng mga ano. Para siyang nga siya eh. It's paano mo ito? This movie is a Rorschach test.
Yes.
Yan.
It really mirrors whatever you feel and what you're thinking and your way of thinking about things.
Yes. Tama. Kung hindi niyo pa kayo nakakita ng Rorschach test, it's these ink blots on a paper na yung sa Watchmen din si Rorschach, yung mukha niya, di ba yung ganun? Na iba-iba yung sagot ng tao sa iba-ibang blots.
Parang yung, if you search this on the internet, yung the bunny and the duck na picture. Na parang, ano yung una mong makikita when you look at the picture like that? Is it a bunny or a duck to you?
Yung parang ganun. Or yung old woman or yung young woman. Yun.
It's a matter of perspective.
Yes.
And it's always subjective.
Oo. Pero, yun yung beauty nitong scene na to na no two people can have the same interpretation. Pero one thing is for sure, the animation is so beautiful.
So mesmerizing talaga.
Team ni Gintz Zilbalodis. I hope I pronounced that right. Apparently, it was revealed na he created this film in Blender.
A free
software.
Wow.
Diba? Na parang hindi mo, yun yung nakakatuwa sa panahon natin ngayon eh. Yung mga tools needed to make great works of art isn't gatekept behind yung paywalls or even na parang, makakagawa ka lang ng ganitong klaseng movie kapag part ka ng malaking studio. Hindi.
Or kung sobrang taas ng pinag-aralan mo or you're well connected or tama ka, you have a big studio behind you na 100 million ng budget.
Diba? I mean, I haven't researched it yet, pero I wouldn't say na million ng budget nitong scene to.
It's an indie film.
It's an indie. Yun nakakatuwa dun sa Oscars recently. I mean, kahit hindi ako agree dun sa nanalong Best Picture, I am still happy for that film kasi tinaas niya yung bandera ng mga indie film. Talaga. So parang
salute to Sean Baker.
Oo, hindi kailangan na sobrang laki ng budget mo for you to be able to tell a story that you want to tell. All you need is the equipment that you already have and the drive to make it. And this is what makes Flow one of the best animated films
ever,
actually. I mean, kahit sabihin mo na parang napaka-basic nung animation niya, parang siyang Zelda. Parang siyang
game.
Parang siyang Breath of the
Video
Wild.
Game,
yung ganong klaseng graphics niya. Na parang, kumbaga sa Pixar, parang siyang, hindi siya ganun ka-polished na animation. Pero hindi niya kailangan ganun eh. Parang, kung if anything pa nga. Kung
it adds beauty to it.
Yun, Kung sobrang linis ng animation neto, parang medyo sa akin, parang, masyadong malinis tignan.
I mean, compared to parang Mufasa na sobrang mahal nung CGI, parang I would prefer this, na mas malalim yung kwento, mas thoughtful siya, and mas pinag-isipan, and mas made with love. I felt it because I felt that it was made with love.
That's very true. Yun. I love that yung sinabi mo, it's made with love. Yes.
Which is why natutuwa ako na makita yung the entire country of Latvia. Na sobrang proud sila dito. Nagkaroon ng heroes welcome yung mga filmmakers.
Tsaka nila, honorary national hero na ata nila si Kat. So, what's your rating for Flow?
A+.
Same. Hindi siya yung tipong A+ na parang blown away nagkamali ka. Na parang sabihin natin parang challengers na parang talagang, yeah, A+, woo! Hindi, siya yung A+ na parang days after mo siyang mapanood.
Still thinking about
Iniisip
it.
mo pa rin siya.
I'm still thinking about it now. I mean, ang daming moments na, ang dami ko pa rin nare-realize na parang, parang this is another way of looking at it.
That's
pala.
true. Ang daming layers niya to peel off talaga.
And ang dami pa nga din nating hindi na pag-uusapan about it eh. Oo. So, ang dami pa niyang, ang sarap niyang pagkwentuhan. Ang sarap niyang pag-usapan ng movie.
That's true.
So, Cine Geeks, what did you think of Flow? Or, if you haven't seen it yet, ano yung favorite niyong movie na starring animals?
Dami pwedeng pagbilian, babe.
Zootopia. Mga ganon.
Pwede.
Comment below and let us know.
That's right. So, for the Cine Geeks Cinebites video review, I'm Roy.
And I'm Angela.
We'll see you in the next one.